Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a page on Google Docs. So to do this is pretty simple. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to the part where you want to insert a page. So you can normally just press enter until you have entered a new page like this, as you can see, but we're gonna do it in a more fashionable way and more easier way. So all you have to do is go to insert and look for break. So here all you have to do is page break. So the shortcut for it is command enter. So there you go. So let's say if you want to do it in between here, command enter, and there you go. Now you have pages in between your text. So let's just say I also wanted to do it here. Just page command enter. So this will vary from Mac to Windows, as you can see. So there you go, guys. That is how you add a page here on Google Docs. So if this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.